Pharma Compliance Group is a leader in providing regulatory compliance services to the pharmacy industry. Among our customers include retail pharmacy, distributors, and manufacturers. PCG came to Deerwalk with a very specific request. We at PCG want to transition from a service-oriented company into a product company with more specific services. PCG wanted to invest heavily on a product where our know-how could now be leveraged by a larger group of customers. This will allow us here at PCG to really focus our engagements and allow our product to deliver the majority of the service. PCG came with a very specific deadline on when the product needed to be ready. Deerwalk then worked in designing the system from concept to reality. This meant working from a conceptual design to wireframes to actual screens. In terms of the functionalities, standard user cases approaches were used to come up with a set of features and functionalities. Deerwalk worked very closely with PCG to make sure the requirements were completely documented and written in such a way that PCG understood what was being built. Deerwalk met with us in person at least once a month to make sure that each part of the progress was transparent. The version of the system was shared so that PCG could feel like we were part of the building process. No matter how thorough one is, the truth is the requirements did change during the course of the project. This was mainly due to feedback of the demo system by industry experts. Deerwalk was accommodating to the needs and incorporated all the changes that was possible without extending the deadline. This was done by understanding what the constraints of the system lied and where one can find flexibilities. The balance was possible due to the development methodology that Deerwalk uses. Deerwalk uses the standard Scrum methodology for the development of software applications. The biggest challenge the project faced was around managing the business requirements such that the system was flexible to incorporate as many requests as possible. Deerwalk built the flexibility in the system so that there were standard dashboards that provided all pertinent metrics. Deerwalk also built in a business intelligence search capability so that any data that is available in the underlying database could be searched. The clear success will only be realized when the application has multiple paying customers. Until then, the robustness of the application and its extended capabilities are what PCG consider a successful launch. Here at PCG, we want to acknowledge that the system was built within the time and budget allocated. Even though it was the first time that PCG gets involved in the development of a software application, it was a very positive experience. Deerwalk will continue as our extended IT team, and they will host and maintain the system. We at PCG consider that this is a true case of a successful partnership, and we look forward to what the future can bring.